हे कंज्यूमर, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर पाइए योर इंडियन कंज्यूमर के सारे अपडेट्स। योर इंडियन कंज्यूमर। Hey consumers, it's me Prasad with Your Indian Consumer, back with another video. Today I am doing a video test of this handy cam or a camcorder by Panasonic. The model number is V180. Right now I am recording using the camcorder itself, and this complete video will be in 1080p 50 frames per second, which is the maximum possible setting available on this camcorder, and the complete audio that you will listen to in this video will be recorded using the internal microphone on this camcorder. Right now I am in indoor lighting conditions, and now let me just move towards the window so that you can understand how the video will look if there is natural light filling the frame. So yeah, and now let me hold the camera at an arm's length. Okay, so this camera offers you 28mm wide angle lens, so that is the widest possible image that you will get if you're holding the camera at an arm's length. Now let me just step outside and do some more tests. So right now you can see there is no direct incident sunlight on my face. Let me just step into the incident sunlight, and you can understand the exposure adjustment of this camera. Now as I'm walking, you can even judge the stability on this camera, as this camera has a 5-axis optical image stabilization. So yes, the stabilization seems to work really well. Now I know many of you guys must be interested to know about this camera in terms of vlogging. That is why I'm doing all these vlogging tests right now. So let me just step outside into a bit noisy environment. So here I am, guys, on the streets of Mumbai, and you'll be able to hear some traffic noise. And right now the sun is behind me, so I'll just move a bit ahead and then turn around so that you can get an example of the exposure adjustment. So well, let's do that. Alright, so now the sun is directly incident on my face. I hope that gave you an idea of the exposure adjustment and how the audio quality will sound if you're recording in a crowded street. I'll even do a running test for you guys. Alright, I hope that gave you an idea of the stability. Well, this camera is fairly stable, but what about the zoom? Zoom is one of the specialities of this camera, so let's check out the zoom now. Now this camera won't be the best option when it comes to vlogging, but can't say the same about zoom shots. This camera even comes with some modes like the movie mode, miniature mode, and the time lapse. Don't we all love time lapse? So let's quickly check out a time lapse now. Now let's check out the low light performance of this camera. Right now I have 2 incident tube lights on my face, and I'll be moving towards a much darker area now. So let's do it. So right now I'm on the streets under the yellow light. Let me just turn around. Let's check how the zoom performs during low light conditions. So the low light performance and the performance during artificial lighting is not all that great. Although the zoom is amazing on this camera, the audio output is also decent enough. Image stability is again brilliant. This camera particularly produces a very natural looking image. It does not oversaturate or does not bump up the contrast or brightness or exposure, anything of that sort. It gives you a very natural looking image, which I think most of the people won't like. Along with that, there is a slight dull tint on the complete image, so that again has to be corrected in post production. If I talk in terms of vlogging, the audio quality is good, the stability is good, but the aperture and the overall light produced is not all that nice. So I don't think this will be a great vlogging option. There are some other options available in the market. If you want to check those options out, I'll provide the links below in the description. But needless to say, all cameras are not meant for vlogging. This is a brilliant zoom camera, a handy cam which has a great stability. If you're interested in wildlife videography, if you want a camera which has a great zoom capability, then this will be the right choice. Well guys, that is what I felt about this camera. If you want a vlogging camera in particular, I'll provide a link here in the I button. That link is for the Canon G7X Mark II, which I feel is the best vlogging camera out there in the market. I'll even provide one more link in the I button and in the description below. That link is for another handycam by Sony, so you can even check that handycam out. So well guys, that was it from my end for today. This was a short video test. If you have liked it, do hit the like button. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do hit the subscribe button and be a part of the Indian consumer family. Well, for now, this was Prasad with Padak, your Indian consumer, signing off. And I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, do remember to surf before you swipe. And if you don't need, you don't buy. Bye bye.